Welcome back. In today's video, first we're going to talk about a number of solutions of a linear system. Is there one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? Alright, let's look at the graph. I have a yellow line. I'm going to call this yellow line line A, and I have a blue one. I'm going to call this blue one line B. Did you see this yellow line and blue line? They have a different slope. Okay, so we're going to write down the slopes are different. Different slopes. Now, situation like this, and they intersect at one point. Alright, I'm going to call the point P. This point P, you can write it in the coordinate pair form, and you can find the solution. That is one solution. So when it has a different slope, it has one solution. Alright, let's continue use yellow and blue. I have a yellow, and this time it's negative slope, and let's put the name here A, and I have a line blue. Oh, what is happening? Yellow and blue, they coincide. Like some people say, they overlapping each other. Situation like this, they have infinitely many solutions. First, let's write down what happened to these two lines coincide. Coincide. Alright? And these two are called intersect. Two lines intersect. These two lines coincide, and it has same slope, and it has same y-intercept. So I'm just gonna put down here same slope, same y-intercept. How many solutions it has? Think about the solutions. Solutions are points on the lines. And this line gonna keep going on and on forever. So how many solutions we have? We have infinitely many solutions. Let's write down. Infinitely many solutions. Alright, let's look at our last one. Last one gonna be no solutions. Think about solutions are the point of intersection, like the first one. Solutions are point on yellow line and also on blue line. What if yellow and blue never touch each other? They never see each other. There's a distance between them. This distance is forever the same distance. So A and B, they are parallel lines. Therefore, they are no solution. No solution. What happened to the slopes of parallel lines? Remember when you learn geometry, and also in the previous chapter you learned algebra 1, when two lines are parallel, they have the same slope. Okay, same slope. And how about a y-intercept? You see the yellow has y-intercept right here, and the blue has y-intercept right here. So they have a different y-intercept. Alright, that is 3 situations.